camera on, right? This is Jeffrey again at home. We got an OC&T train coming at Drakewell. Let's check it out. Keeps frozen. We're just chasing this thing right now. There's the Jersey Bridge heading into the Drakewell station. Now this is a Drakewell train. Over this way. No, come on. There we go. There we go. That's a little better now. Trying to tilt it so we can see it, so we don't want to see it sideways. Yep. Because I don't know, I did it once. I don't know about Greenville. I did it like 2 or 3 times here in Titusville. In Titusville trains, I've been getting them sideways. This is the OC&T 42M. It starts off from Titusville, Pennsylvania. That's here. And takes place from Oil City to Rouseville, Pennsylvania, to enter exchange freight. No, this is the past trains. I didn't think there were going to be any trains there running on Tuesdays. There you go. I don't see the engineer's side on this side, just the conductors only. That's a short one. Yeah. I haven't seen two harbors like this, huh? This is the OC&T 42M. All right, we're gonna be getting off. I'll get that.
That's what the meatballs.
All right, we're gonna get off. We're gonna get off here, and we'll do that Perry Street station, same one here. I'll get on in a couple minutes.